Okay, Eleanor, put your hand flat out. Why?
I like their big poofy feathers. They're like all big and poofy.
They don't hurt you. Watch, look, Eleanor, watch. Just like this. See?
He's like,
You want? Eleanor, you want to feed him? He's hungry.
That one wants some. Yes, please.
Give him some food.
He's like, yes, please.
Hold your hand, Eleanor, nice and flat. Just hold it out flat.
well, you might not have a choice.
Get it. Get it. Ouch, that's my finger.
Why are you nibbling on my sweater? Eleanor, come here. Come here. Let's take a picture of us together.
I'm taking a video. Stand next to your brother. There you go.
Bird Masters.
And put your hands up.
Woohoo! Bird
You're the
Masters.
kings of the birds. The king and queen of the birds.
That one's gone.
Ready? Get your hand in the water. In the water. Hey, buddy.